Hi, my name is Joan Curtis, and I work at Disability Rights New Mexico, DRNM. And I'm talking today to bring awareness to family members and professionals about the number of suspensions that we have in New Mexico. We're calling this the school to jail pipeline. And we'd like to do some trainings on this. I'm just going to be doing a short video today to talk about some of the concerns that we have. 2 times as many students with disabilities are suspended from schools. 4 times as many students with that are Native American, students that are Native American are suspended from school. So with those kinds of numbers, we're concerned because even with one suspension, it increases the chances that your child will drop out or not graduate. When we looked at a detention center in Albuquerque on 2nd Street, we saw that 84% of the youth that were in that detention center, once they were tested, were found to have disabilities. So what kinds of disabilities am I talking about? We're talking about disabilities like attention deficit disorder, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, bipolar disorder, depression. So any of these disorders, traumatic brain injury, schizophrenia, they could cause behaviors that would be related to your disability in the school and could cause reasons for the school to want to suspend you. So there are 2 laws that are really important to look at. One is Section 504 of the Rehabilitation Act, and you can have a 504 plan. That's a much more broad law that includes a number of disabilities, even sleeping disorders, which could affect a child's behavior at school. So Section 504 or IDEA, that's the second law. Under IDEA, Individuals with Disabilities Educational Act, the student has an IEP. So they have a disability, they go through testing with the school, and the school develops an IEP for the services for this child and how to provide those services. So it's important because those 2 laws can protect students who are even suspected of having a disability. Say you have a pattern of behavior problems at school, that could be an indication that there's a disability going on. So it's important to have those disabilities identified, even if it's in the middle of an infraction that happened at school, an incident with your behaviors that happened at school, that you let the school know that you may have a disability and you may need to have an evaluation very quickly. So these are important because there's a part of the process for students who have disabilities that's called a manifestation determination review, an MDR. And an MDR, that can stop the school from going ahead with long-term suspension. So if you can, try to find out more about these rights. And I hope that this information is helpful to you. Thank you. Bye.